First, take a look at these clips.
For 40 days, a giant named Goliath stood in the valley of Elah, challenging Israel's army. Every soldier was terrified. Even King Saul refused to fight. Then one day, a young shepherd named David arrived to bring food to his brothers.
These Bible animation videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. And the crazy part? Most people think creating Bible animations requires a professional animation studio, expensive software, and years of experience. But that's no longer true. Today, AI can help you find Bible story ideas, write scripts, generate storyboards, create animations, and edit entire videos in just a few hours. Some creators are building entire channels around this, and in this video, I'll show you the exact workflow. Step 1. Find a viral Bible story. Open ChatGPT and type, "Generate 10 viral Bible story ideas based only on real biblical events, people, and stories. Prioritize the most searched and most viewed Bible topics with strong drama, conflict, emotion, and storytelling potential. Format, title, main character, main conflict." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate multiple story ideas. For this example, let's go with David and Goliath. Now let's turn that idea into a complete script. Now we need the story, but not just any story, because even the best visuals won't save a boring script. Open ChatGPT and paste your script prompt, then replace topic with your chosen story. Within seconds, ChatGPT will transform a simple Bible story into a cinematic narrative filled with conflict, emotion, suspense, and cliffhangers. For this example, let's see what it creates for David and Goliath. And honestly, this is where the story starts coming to life. Step 3. Generate the voiceover. Now we need a narrator, because a great story deserves a great voice. Open Google and search for Google AI Studio Voice Generator. Open the tool and paste the script we just generated. Then choose a natural-sounding narrator voice and generate the audio. The goal is simple. You want the voice to sound like a storyteller. A good voice can make a huge difference in how long people keep watching. Once you're happy with the result, download the final audio file. Now we have the complete narration. Step 4. Create the visual storyboard. Now it's time to bring the story to life. Open ChatGPT and paste your visual storyboard prompt. Just enter the total length of your voiceover. That's it. Within seconds, the AI will automatically break the entire story into scenes. Each scene includes the visual prompt, the camera movement, the mood, and the duration. Basically, it creates the entire production plan for you. No guessing, no manual scene planning. Everything is already mapped out. Now let's turn those scenes into actual animations. Step 5. Create the animation. Now open Google Flow. Copy the first visual prompt from your storyboard, paste it into Flow, and generate the scene. The style we're using is optimized for premium Bible animation, so every scene feels like part of the same animated movie. Generate the first scene, then use Extend for second clip, then the third, and continue until you've generated the entire story. This helps maintain visual consistency and create smoother transitions between scenes. Before you know it, you'll have a complete animated Bible story. Step 6. Edit everything together. Open CapCut. Create a new project. Import the voiceover first, then import all your generated scenes. Place the scenes in order, match them with the narration, add background music underneath. Keep it subtle. The story should always be the focus. Once everything is synced, export the final video. And that's the complete workflow. Find a viral Bible story, generate the script, create the voiceover, create the animations in Google Flow, and edit everything together. What once required an animation studio can now be done with AI. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI workflows. Thanks for watching.